What's up, guys? Here's a new update on the Celica. Recently I did the Celica delete here, the sign, and I debadged it, of course. But where it says Celica engraved in here, I filled it in with Bondo, sanded it down, primered it, painted it. Came out pretty good. Up close, if you look really close, yeah, it looks like, you can see that. But literally from 2 feet away, you can't tell. So I did that. Got even stretchier tires on here. I used to have 225 45s on here, 18s. Now they're 215 40s. Yeah, I do got to go lower, and I'm gonna put a camber arms to straighten out the camber because it's pretty cambered in. Although it's pretty flush fitment if I lowered it more. Gotta go a little lower in the front too, although it's already pretty low, I would say. But the stance on it is pretty much exactly what I'm going for. I just need to lower it maybe half an inch more. That'd be perfect. Yeah, you can tell I debadged everything. Got that TRD. Say last thing would be put a new exhaust on it, put a OBX Racing muffler. It's at the axle, and then got piping. You can't see it, but it's behind that. And got the piping to go straight to the exhaust right here to the exit. Yeah, that's about it with this. Still a little project. Not really a project, just a little daily driver project is all. But yeah, there you go. Let me know if you guys want more updates on this car as I go.